That's what we were looking for. That's what we're after. So we are good. I'm really happy. The headlights is very clear. What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I just want to give you an update on our Suzuki Grand Vitara project. So the project is still happening. We just need a few things buttoned up and connected so that we can start test driving this car. So today there's just one thing that I want to deal with. It's always been on my mind throughout the project, but I haven't actually had the chance to work on it. So today I'm gonna try and tackle this. Hopefully my plan will work. So this is the challenge that I have. The headlights are really misty and foggy and not really bright. So today I just want to try and deal with that, see if I can restore these lenses, get them as clean as possible. Hopefully I'll be successful. So I'll just take you through the process that I'm going to use. Hopefully I'll get better results. Yeah, this is our Suzuki Grand Vitara. So the engine is pretty much in there. Everything is sort of like put together where it's supposed to be, and then we just need to finalize a few things. Then we can take this on the road and see if it actually performs as it's supposed to. Based on my research, I'm going to be using the following sandpaper grades. So this is 500 grit. I'm going to be using this to start with, and then I'm going to move on to 1000 grit. Then hopefully that will get things better, and then the final one will be a 2000 grit. So hopefully I'll get a better smooth surface. Then from there I'll move on to the polish. So I decided to go with Maguires Ultimate Compound Color and Clarity Restorer. So hopefully this will do the trick, because these things are quite bad. So let's try and use this and see if that will actually make any difference. So I've got these. Okay, let's put that there. So I have these pads. So I'll start with this rough buffing pad just to get in there and rough it up a bit. Once I'm done, I'll use this, the fine one. Hopefully this will help. I'll still use the same, but if this doesn't work as good, then I'll try something else. But I'm planning to use this buffing pad with this compound and then move on to the soft, smooth sort of pad with the same polish. So yeah, let's start and then see how far we get with this. I would advise anyone attempting to restore headlights to always tape off the bumper so that you don't scratch it. So just putting a line of tape around here so that at least you don't scratch the bumper. That way you can send off comfortably without worrying about, you know, scratching your paint or anything like that. So the next step would be to tape off all this area and then start sanding. Now that we're ready, let's start sanding. Gonna hit it with some water, just clean water, and I'm getting that with my 500. this is the look that you're after. So it's very matte, it's very I don't know how to call it, but this is what we're after. So we want it to look like this. Then we're gonna hit it with stage 2, which is going to be polish. Then hopefully this will be clear. I'm crossing fingers hoping that this method will work. So let's get the polish and polish this thing. I don't have a polisher and I'm gonna be using this guy. I'll put it in the lowest setting. Hopefully don't damage my lens. That should work. Well, let's hit it with polish and then see what result are we getting. Hopefully it's better than what it did. Let's see if it's better. Yeah. No. Let's try again. Hit it with some more polish and then see if that helps. So things didn't go according to plan. This is not what I was after. I was hoping I'll get this clear, like the one on top here, but it's still quite matte. So I'm gonna try something else. Hopefully after that polish will look better. So I'm gonna try wax. Yeah, it might not work, but let's give it a try anyway. Yeah, we did not succeed. Yeah, it was worth a try though. I was hoping to get successful results, but that didn't work. Yeah. Okay. Let me give it some thought and see if maybe I need to get a different compound or I just need to continue as is. Maybe I need to put in some elbow grease. Okay, let's try one more time and see if this will make a difference. Let's try wax. So I don't know whether I'm being optimistic or just excited, but this looks much better than before. So I was definitely not expecting that. So it seems the actual wax is working. So this is interesting. Yeah, so this is a good result. Honestly speaking, I was not expecting this. This is much better than what it was, and I think this wax is actually the solution. So for now, I'm gonna complete both with this wax. It's actually even smoother. Wow, okay. So I guess this is I guess this is the stuff that I should be using then. Let me know, guys, if this actually is the right way of doing it, or maybe I need to get the proper kit, because there is a kit that you can get that actually works better. So I don't know if this is actually the best way of doing it, but I'm tired of these headlights. I want something that's clear so that I can see where I'm going at night. Hence I'm trying to clean them up. So hopefully this will work, but I'm happy with the results so far. Yeah, so now I think my plan, I'm gonna try a combination of these. So I'm gonna use this compound, hit it as much as possible with this. Hopefully that will work, and then finish it off with this. So hopefully that will make a difference. Okay. Right, this is really good. This is really good. Honestly speaking, I was not prepared to go and buy new second-hand headlights. No, I was not prepared to do that. So this method actually works. I think this pad is not strong enough. I think this is better. This is actually doing the job. I was worried there for a second and I thought then I'm gonna have to go buy new second-hand headlights, but we are good. That's what we were looking for. That's what we're after. So we are good. I'm really happy. I have to admit, these came out way better than I expected. That's the left hand side, this is the right hand side. Quite clear, very nice. So just need to have to finish off this car and then see during the night if we get as much output as we would like to, because these are looking quite clear now. So hopefully that will work as planned. Can't wait to finish off this project, get it on the road, test it out, see if everything works. With all that being said, thank you so much guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video as much as I did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. That would be highly appreciated, and click on the notification bell to be notified of a new video when it gets uploaded. Until then, stay safe.